Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's got to be more to living than what I've been given. Ooh, you're telling me.
Number 30, Dr. Charles King. Dr. Charles King out of the University of Illinois is one of the, I think he may be the only real academic in direct selling. Now I know Dr. Lagos is an academic when it comes to network marketing, but Dr. King really is an academic who puts it into practice at the University of Illinois. He has helped put together some of the first college level programs on network marketing. And because of this, his knowledge and his skill level is very, very high. He's one of the most sought after speakers on direct selling in the world. Dr. King is a very soft-spoken guy, but let me tell you, you need to pay attention to everything that he says because he knows what he's talking about. And it's really, really good for us to have someone who's an academic in direct selling because it really gives a lot of credibility to what we're all about. So if ever we need to call an expert for any legal reasons, having an academic, a college professor, serves us very, very well.